Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this step-by-step tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can share your screen on Discord really quickly. So if you're interested and would like to learn how to do it, make sure you keep watching, drop a like, and now let us dive into this. So launch Discord on your computer, be it on your PC or on your laptop, log into your account, and for demonstration purposes, I'm going to join, let's say, that server of mine here I created for demonstration purposes. Now, don't worry, the trick or the technique I'm about to teach you works for both for voice channels in a server as well as for conversations or calls with your friends here on Discord. It's actually the same. So for demonstration purposes, I'm going to join that voice channel here. And what you want to do after that is click on that icon here with that monitor or display with the arrow to the right icon in it. This is going to open that window for you. Screen share, select something to stream and have your friends grab a seat. So you can go, for example, with an application listed below, or simply go to screens. That's probably the most frequently used option. You may also go with capture devices, though for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go with screens, select the screen below, and that is going to open up that option or setup menu here, where you'll be given the opportunity to assign, for example, the streaming channel, or to select the stream quality like a smoother video, the resolution, the FPS rate like 15, 30 or 60 FPS, and so on and so forth. And once you're content with your setup, simply click on go live here and start sharing your screen with your channel or server members, or with your chat partner or call partner here on Discord. And that's all to it, guys. As you can see, super simple. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll see you next time on our channel.